Okay, so it wasn't me, but somebody said white women do fake better. Y'all see these beautiful white women back here? Stunning, baby. Gorgeous. You can say they all look alike. They're all blonde. You can say what you want to say, but they got that aesthetic down, hunty. Okay, gorgeous.
I imagine you are here to speak in favor of wigs.
Fake as fuck, though. Fake as fuck. I need you to keep that in mind. Just roll with me, okay? So you think they all just got this natural Nordic beauty with the blonde hair, huh? Mm-hmm. Think they ain't got no extensions? Mm-hmm. Lashes, nails, Botox, fillers, laser treatments, hell, facelifts. White women start early with the facelifts, huh? You think them boobs real right there? Mm-hmm. You think them toned arms? You think that's natural? You think that cinched waist right there? You think that's natural? She ain't had no liposuction? Uh-huh. Okay, you think? But all y'all can talk about is how fake black women are.
Why do you think that I'm against wigs? What's your guess on why I have a problem with wigs? Because obviously you can see, like, I'd be well suited for a wig. So why does the bald guy who maybe needs a wig, why does he have a problem with wigs?
A lace front wig is something that was created for the Hollywood world, for a movie, for a black woman to have consistency and continuity with her hair. That's what it was for. Okay. The stylist took it, and now we're wearing them to bed. We're wearing them, for a month. We're wearing them too much. We're wearing them, only wearing them. So it's like, it's gotten overwhelmingly just a lot.
And I will give it to you. Black women do go overboard with their beauty treatments, right? For all the money we spend, we may as well throw it down the drain because we end up looking a mess. It's the mental approach that's off. Black women want to stand out at any cost.
Lashes, weave, all this and that. It's for me, because I love that. I can't lie. I've always been like this.
Yeah.
Like, everyone that knows me, I've been that girl that's just into stuff like that.
Period.
That girl.
That's why everything got to be super dramatic. The nails super long, the lashes super long, the hair.
And a lot of the women don't know what they're doing. So a lot of women have no edges, or their hair is totally bald, or they're just continuously covering. And we have it's like an epidemic at this point with our women.
The butt super big. The mental approach is off. Where white women want to look well taken care of, healthy and wealthy and soft and feminine. They got that aesthetic, and I guarantee they're winning in life because of it. So I didn't say it, but I'm repeating it here. For all the money black women spend, this what we need to be trying to look like right here, baby.
So if we compare you faking that to a woman who authentically is that, do you think that a man who's attracted to that aesthetic that he found in you emulating it, if he found a woman who actually really is that, do you think he would not prefer her?
Guys will be like, oh, I love natural hair. Da, da, da. I'm just like, no, you love a type of natural hair.
Let's
don't
be
like,
real.
You don't like the 4C.
No.
You like the 3 Exotica.
Let's
you
be
like
real.
that.
Yeah.
That's what you like.
Hi, Black Man in Tech. What is your favorite hairstyle on a black woman?
As long as it's theirs, natural hair, but not like a pro natural, but just like when they wear their natural hair.
I like natural
hair.
A little twist out, you feel me? Especially when it's fresh and you're using the right products and it smell good.
My favorite hairstyle on black women are locks.
Locks.
maybe relaxed or dreadlocks like mine.
Braids, I think.
Cool braids, knowledge braids.
My favorite hairstyle is a goddess braids.
Mine has to be finger waves or Fulani braid.
I love Howard.
Finger waves.
Show head. Bald head. Okay? Just be looking bad.
My favorite hairstyle is the afro.
Maybe a little afro.
The natural, old school fro.
This what we need to be trying to look like right here, baby.
Them goddess braids. I like those butterfly locks. I love those box braids.
I love a sexy bob.
The cheek braids.
Natural. I'm all for the natural look.
Braids, any kind of braids, like short little locks or braids, like long braids. I just like braids, though. I'm a braid guy.
Beautiful locks.
My favorite hairstyle is it being natural and it being theirs.
And there.
Yeah. I'm from
What's not there?
like weave and stuff.
The weaveology don't be really hitting like that for me, you feel me? So it's some natural, maybe some curly or some braided.
The natural curly look.
Low cuts, very sweet low cuts.
Braids.
Normal braids.
No braids.
I don't really mind. Braided is quite nice. What you have is very nice.
My favorite hairstyle is black woman?
Yes.
Locks.
Anything, but my favorite one's natural.
Just more of a natural look. I don't mind little weaves up, but I just prefer more of the natural look.
The natural look, but obviously if they're gonna have plaits and stuff like that, then I don't mind. Natural or braids.
Great.
My personal favorite would have to be braided or
Just natural, probably.
Curls?
Yeah.
Just that?
Yeah.
Any reason why?
Natural, I don't know. It's nice, isn't it? I don't know, but I like the braids too.
You like that? Yeah. That's what you like.
This what we need to be trying to look like right here, baby.
So I don't want a black woman that's wearing a white woman's hair. I want a black woman that's wearing a black woman's hair.
Young women, young black women, do yourself a favor. Take off all these wigs and weaves. It really makes you look, black men don't care for it. You really don't. And I'm saying it as politely as possible. Most black men think exceptionally negative about it. Because we're sitting there looking at you with somebody else's hair on their head. And you even have something like, why, if I want hair like that, I'll just go get the woman whose hair that grow out of. Why? Leave the wigs off.
Why cover the problem when you can fix it? Because you can fix it. A lot of women are told that they cannot. And so with the right products and the right ingredients and the right things, you can grow your hair. And so that's basically what I've done. And we have helped over 1 million women at this point.